Video. Today I'm with my father, which is the cameraman. Today we're going to be flying this little drone, whatever. Just right now. Oh, there's a hair on it. Hold that real quick. Hair on it.
Vitor, I'm getting hairs all over the freaking drone.
Okay, well you're gonna need to watch him.
Vitor, come on, get over here. Get your butt over here.
Let's
It's
try
the dragon.
and test one. Here we go.
I'm scared.
Ah!
No!
We're still learning how to control this thing.
Don't you go in the water, you piece of trash. Bring it over here. Yeah, bring it back over here. Set it on the back of Boone's car. Yeah.
What if it hits his windshield?
Well, better hope it don't.
It's not working.
What?
Yeah, get this thing.
Is this power on?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's on. It's on. I think it doesn't work on there. That's it.
Yeah, it will. Come on, go up, baby.
There you go.
No, it attacked you.
It's cold.
Yeah, and kind of windy. Hold on.
Whoa, it's digging up dirt.
I know it's. Dang it! Come on,
Fun, though.
come on. All right, go ahead. Oh, sit it up for me, will you?
It just runs into the grass and dies. Ah, it's cold.
Last one, let's go in. It is freezing. We don't even have jackets on. What type of father am I? What type of father brings the sun out in the cold? I'm prepared. The world's most terrible father. Pick the little thing up, flip it upside down. Up. See that little baby button? Just push it left and right. At the very bottom, it just goes sideways. No, don't break. Right here. No.
I just pressed that.
Hold on. For real, last one, and then let's go. Look, that's why. Stop pressing this one. Don't press that one at all, just this one. That's the one that makes it go up. When you do that, it like turns it and stuff. It is recording. Yeah, just go up. Don't press the side one.
You have to make it.
No, that makes it turn and stuff.
I'm not pressing it. I'm just pressing the higher button.
Stop. Let's go. Almost got ran over by that psycho UPS driver. Holy smokes, I thought it was Sweet Tooth from Twisted Metal. Now.
Yeah.
Let's do it over here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Ooh.
It's cold.
Last try and let's go.
Dang.
Oh, we got to read the manual. All right, say bye.
Bye, everyone. It's super cold.